How are you, Kamangas, and welcome back to my channel. And this is the part 2 of my creator manga haul. So the part 1 was the manga series by Clamp, that is Holic, and this time we're gonna have 3 series from the same creator, but these are short series. I do even have a one-shot manga from them, and let's start. So first we have The One I Love, and this was purchased again in Bookends. So thank you again, Bookends, for letting me know that you have this volume. I'm really glad to have this, and what I love about this, it has color pages. So it's very rare, I think, to have color pages in a manga. I think that is special in old times. So this is The One I Love, Watashi no Suki na Hito. Not sure if I have pronounced it correctly. So we have this one, and it says this is a 12-story anthology, and I can't believe that it has 12 stories on it. Maybe 3 to 5 pages for each story, because this book is very thin for a 12-story collected in one book. So we have this one. So I'll show you some of the color pages. So this is the first page. It's really beautiful, and it has this extra page with color. Okay, so we have this one with ladies and girls. Maybe they are the main characters or the main protagonists of the 12 stories. Yes, I think they are. I think we have 12 beautiful ladies here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we have 12, and I am not sure if those 12 stories are connected with each other, because I haven't read this yet. Okay, we have this. I think this is the first story. Not all the pages are colored. So we have, I think that this is the first story. So the next one are in black and white. So I'm really happy to have this, and I think this is also out of print. Mostly the manga published by Tokyo Pop, the old series are already out of print. So we have this, The One I Love, and the next one is a 2-volume series with the same creator. So I got Clamp School Defenders, Duklyon. I do have the, I think that's a light novel, Clamp School Detectives or Paranormal. No, that is different. I have the light novel, yeah, Clamp Paranormal Investigator, something like that. And I do have the Clamp School Detectives, but I am missing volume number 1. So I only have 2 volumes of those, and I don't have them here, so it's still in my home country. So we have volumes 1 and 2. So this is a short series by Clamp. I think these 2 main guys are the main characters. So I think this is a shonen manga based on the art, and it has only 2 volumes, and it's in really good condition. As you can see, the volume number 1, I purchased this from Amazon US, and this volume number 2 was purchased from my home country. So I'll show you some of the art. It looks like Power Rangers. They're in their suit. Okay, we have Duklyon, Clamp School Defenders, 2-volume series by Clamp, and the last one that I'm gonna show you is a 4-volume series, and that is Fish. So I have purchased this as well from my home country, and it's in really good condition. It's in plastic covers, and I have purchased this for a really good price. I think that's 1,200 pesos for all 4 volumes. So that's 300 each. So we have volume number 1, and I like these covers. See, volume number 1, and the art looks familiar, like it's like the art of Magic Knight Ray Earth, like this one. It looks like Yumi. And we have volume number 2 here with pastel green cover. Volume number 3, this pink on the background, and this volume number 4. So I have seen the omnibus of this from Kinokuniya, Dubai, but when I was going to purchase it online, it's already out of stock. That's why I'm really happy to get this, and it's in singles. That's what I really wanted, the singles and not the omnibuses. I think the omnibus was published by Dark Horse, and the story of this is about an angel that was saved by a man, and she said to that young guy that she will grant any wish, and that's how the story starts. So I haven't read this yet as well, same as these 2 volumes and the Holic also. So the only manga that I have read that was created by Clamp are Chobits and Clover. So Clover, I think it's unfinished. I have the collector's edition, the omnibus, the big one, and I had Chobit singles. So I really like the story of that. I think that's the sequel for Angelic Layer, which I also have watched when I was younger. So mostly the Clamp series that I know are like I watched it in the anime, and I haven't read the manga. So I think I can end this video now. So these are the 3 new titles that was added in my collection, and this was created by the popular group of Clamp. Okay, I'm gonna show you the spine. So we have this. Okay, that's all for today, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you on my next video. Goodbye, and please be safe.